Unlock the secrets to financial freedom with this video. It goes into the contrasting philosophies of Robert Kiyosaki and Dave Ramsey. Learn how these financial titans propose to educate, manage debt, and invest in yourself for success. They cover leveraging debt, investing in assets, eliminating debt, and prioritizing savings. The philosophies of Kiyosaki and Ramsey. Robert Kiyosaki in Rich Dad Poor Dad revolutionizes financial understanding. He emphasizes that financial literacy is essential, not just advantageous. He challenges traditional job security and saving. Kiyosaki advocates for acquiring income-generating assets to build wealth. He criticizes the education system's failure to teach effective money management. Kiyosaki promotes financial intelligence and a shift towards financial freedom through informed investment. Dave Ramsey champions frugality, debt elimination, and savings through his 7 baby steps. He believes financial peace comes from living within your means. He also believes in aggressively paying off debt and building emergency funds. Ramsey emphasizes moral discipline and responsibility. He advocates for a debt-free lifestyle grounded in ethical financial practices. He draws from his personal recovery from financial ruin. Lesson 1: The power of financial education. Kiyosaki believes that wealth begins with a solid foundation in financial education. He argues that understanding the dynamics of money is critical for financial independence. Distinguishing between assets and liabilities is essential. The strategic acquisition of income-generating assets is also crucial. Kiyosaki's philosophy is based on the idea that making smart financial choices leads to wealth and financial freedom. He frequently points out that the rich teach their children about money. The poor and middle class do not do this, highlighting a gap in knowledge that perpetuates economic disparities. Kiyosaki encourages individuals to break free from this cycle. He says they should educate themselves on financial matters. They should seek mentors and engage in lifelong learning. His message is clear. Financial education empowers individuals to navigate the complexities of the economic world. This knowledge leads to informed decisions that lead to wealth and independence. Dave Ramsey's teachings emphasize financial education. He leans more towards practical financial management. He meticulously plans every dollar earned. He advocates for a zero-based budgeting system where every dollar is allocated a role. This fosters a disciplined approach to spending, saving, and investing. Ramsey emphasizes the importance of controlling your finances. It's a fundamental step toward financial stability. He stresses the value of understanding personal finance. He covers budgeting basics and the intricacies of investment. Ramsey believes this is essential for achieving financial peace. Ramsey's focus on education extends to debunking common myths about debt and investment. He promotes a grounded and realistic approach to managing money. Through courses, books, and his radio show, Ramsey educates millions. He encourages people to take control of their finances. Ramsey emphasizes that financial wisdom is accessible to all who seek it. Lesson 2: The role of debt. Kiyosaki and Ramsey have different views on debt. Kiyosaki thinks that debt can be useful if used correctly. He says that there is good debt that aids in wealth building and bad debt that detracts from it. He supports the strategic use of debt to enhance investment potential and generate wealth. Kiyosaki views debt as a tool. When used wisely, it can amplify investment returns and accelerate the path to financial freedom. He advocates for the careful selection of debt instruments that align with one's investment goals and risk tolerance. He emphasizes the importance of education and due diligence in leveraging debt effectively. Ramsey categorically dismisses debt as an obstacle to financial freedom. His teachings advocate for a complete avoidance of debt. He focuses on eliminating existing debts through a structured, incremental process. It's known as the debt snowball method. Ramsey believes true financial independence is unattainable without standing debts. His approach is rooted in this belief. He views debt as a burden. It causes not only financial, but also emotional and psychological stress. Ramsey advocates for a life free from the shackles of debt obligations. His methodology for debt elimination involves organizing debts from smallest to largest. Then, he tackles them with intensity. This strategy not only clears debt, but also builds financial discipline. It also creates momentum towards greater financial goals. Lesson 3. Investing in yourself. Both Kiyosaki and Ramsey place a significant emphasis on the value of self-investment. Kiyosaki encourages an entrepreneurial spirit, and he advocates for continuous learning, risk-taking, and diversification of income sources. These come through investments in real estate, stocks, and personal businesses. He sees financial growth as a direct result of personal development and strategic risk management. Kiyosaki's philosophy suggests that investing in one's education, skills, and personal growth is the cornerstone of wealth creation. He believes that by expanding one's knowledge and capabilities, individuals can better identify and seize opportunities. They can also navigate risks and ultimately achieve financial success. Kiyosaki's message is one of empowerment. He encourages individuals to take control of their financial destiny through proactive self-investment. Ramsey emphasizes the importance of financial security and preparedness. He advocates for savings and investments in reliable, proven mutual funds. His conservative approach to investing reflects a preference for stability and long-term security. This is over potentially higher but riskier returns. Ramsey advises individuals to invest in themselves through education and personal development. But he does so with a cautionary note on the importance of financial security. He champions a balanced approach to self-investment. This is where personal growth and skill acquisition are pursued. This is also where conservative financial planning and investment strategies are pursued. Ramsey's philosophy underscores the value of a solid financial foundation. He argues that true security and peace of mind come from prudent financial management. He also says they come from strategic, risk-averse investing. Lesson 4. The importance of action. Both Kiyosaki and Ramsey emphasize taking action. They both agree that theoretical knowledge of finances must be complemented by practical application. Kiyosaki champions early financial engagement. He values learning through experience and the resilience to persevere through setbacks. He believes in the transformative power of proactive financial management and investment. He emphasizes that action is the bridge between knowledge and achievement. Kiyosaki encourages individuals to step out of their comfort zones. He urges them to make bold decisions and actively pursue their financial goals. He views failures as learning opportunities rather than setbacks. Ramsey, on the other hand, proposes a systematic, step-by-step approach to achieving financial independence. His philosophy is built on the cumulative effect of small, consistent financial decisions. He advocates for a disciplined and patient journey towards financial security. For Ramsey, action is measured, deliberate, and aligned with a clear set of financial goals. He emphasizes the importance of taking concrete steps towards eliminating debt. He also emphasizes the importance of saving and investing. He advocates for a methodical approach to financial planning. Ramsey's strategy is designed to build momentum. It creates a sense of achievement and motivation. This sustains individuals on their path to financial freedom. Ramsey equips individuals with actionable guidance and practical tools. This helps them turn their financial aspirations into reality one step at a time. Robert Kiyosaki and Dave Ramsey have distinct financial philosophies. They illuminate two paths to financial freedom. Kiyosaki emphasizes financial literacy, asset acquisition, and leveraging debt. In contrast, Ramsey focuses on frugality, debt elimination, and savings. Both stress financial education, self-investment, and actionable steps toward financial independence. They offer valuable insights. They are for anyone looking to navigate their financial future with confidence.